Humanoid robot Xiao He assists media at SCO Summit Tianjin. Meta AI brain drain as new superintelligence unit sparks exits. WeChat to label all AI-generated content starting Monday. OpenAI sunsets operator today. Agent features move into ChatGPT. OpenAI adds parental controls and crisis support to ChatGPT and GPT-5. OpenAI unveils GPT-5 with faster thinking trained on Azure. Microsoft debuts MAI Voice 1 and MAI 1 preview for in-house AI. AWS, one Australian business adopts AI every 3 minutes. Broadcom ships next-gen AI data center interconnect chip. Nvidia touts Blackwell Ultra and NVLink rack-scale compute. Belagavi unveils BTCA Assist AI chatbot and 3 innovations. Experian launches AI tool to modernize credit risk models. SCO to showcase AI-powered cardiac ultrasound at ESC 2025. Stanford virtual AI scientist designs and runs experiments. New Chinese open-source LLM undercuts DeepSeek with 30% cost savings. Like, share, and subscribe for latest updates.